Good morning, I'm Maiki Oreta with the latest in business here on the Bilyonaryo News Channel. After easing in June, Philippine inflation rose to 4.4% last month. That's higher than the 3.7% print in June, but lower than the 4.7% recorded in July of last year. The Philippine Statistics Authority says this was mainly due to the rise in the prices of water, housing, electricity, and fuel. The latest inflation figure is higher than the government's target inflation rate of 2 to 4%, but still within the BSP's expectations for the period of between 4 to 4.8%. Pacific Tollways Corporation acquires the government's 2.61% stake in the NLEX Corporation. The price tag, 2.5 billion pesos. MPTC President and CEO Rogelio Singson says the acquisition reinforces the company's commitment to public service. The government has also sold half of a percent of its stake in NLEX Corporation to BDO Unibank. They will, however, retain their remaining 0.35% stake. Other notable shareholders of NLEX Corp include equity firm EGIS Investment Partners Philippines and the Global Fund Holding Company. Elsewhere in the region, overseas, Indonesia's economic growth inched up slowly in the second quarter of the year. Growth in the Southeast Asia's largest economy came in at 5.1%, unchanged from the previous quarter's 5.1% growth. Statistics Indonesia, their data agency, says their economy is relatively robust and stable. Earlier this year, the country's central bank announced a surprise interest rate hike to 6.25%. to support the rupiah, which had weakened against the greenback. TikTok agrees to permanently withdraw its TikTok Lite Rewards program from the European Union. The European Union Commission says the social media giant also made legally binding commitments not to launch any other program that would circumvent this decision. The Commission notes any violation would amount to a breach of the bloc's Digital Services Act, leading to fines. TikTok Lite's reward program allows users to earn points while performing certain tasks on the platform, such as liking content, following creators, or inviting friends to join. Back in April, the EU demanded a risk assessment on the app due to concerns over its potential impact on the mental health of its users, specifically children. And those were the latest business stories this hour. I'm Maiki Oreta. Keep it here on the Bilyonaryo News Channel, always on top.